In this video, I am going to give you 5 ways to fix Discord black screen issue on Windows. Encountering a black screen when starting Discord on Windows can be frustrating. Here's 5 methods to fix it. 1. Reopen Discord. If Discord doesn't close completely when you hit the X mark, follow these steps. Click on the up arrow button in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Find the Discord icon from the list, click on it and select Quit Discord. Reopen the Discord app. The second fix is to clear Discord cache. Press Windows plus R keys and type app data. Hit OK and find Discord from the list. Delete the Discord folder and then try opening Discord again. The black screen issue should be resolved. Fix 3. Run Windows App Troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings and plus go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Let Windows fix any issues and then reopen Discord. 4. Update graphic drivers. Press the Windows key and the search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager and find your PC GPU from the list and right-click on it. Select Update Driver from the context menu and then Windows will download and install the latest graphics driver from the web. 5. Check Discord server status. Sometimes the issue is from Discord's end, so visit the Discord status website to check the server status is alive. Any issues with Discord servers might result in the black screen issue, so ensure everything is working fine on Discord's end. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.